everybody, in the fourth lesson for Arduino tutorial. Today we will start with a very interesting project. And as we know that we are in the age of technology that requires spending a lot of time in front of our computers and mobile phones without noticing the wrong posture of our necks. So how to avoid the wrong posture of our necks using Arduino, and this is our project. The tools we need in this project are the buzzer, which has two legs. One of the legs is shorter than the other one. The shorter leg is connected directly to the ground and the longer one is connected directly to the digital pin. A ball switch contains metallic ball that joins two contact points whenever the switch reaches a certain angle, which can be about 70, and then the ball rolls into the contact points. When you shake the ball switch, you feel like there is a free motion of the ball inside it. And for sure we need a 10K resistor as a pull-down resistor. Ball switch is connected directly to 5 volts and it's connected directly to the ground via pull-down resistor. And don't forget the digital pin that is connected directly to digital pin number 6. The buzzer has two legs that we told you. The shorter leg is connected directly to the ground and the longer one is connected directly to digital pin number 5.